Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook plain chicken breast. Start by selecting boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. You can lightly pound thicker pieces to this consistent thickness, which helps prevent one part from drying out while another is still cooking. This simple preparation step is vital for a perfectly tender and juicy result every time you cook. Seasoning is crucial for flavor, so do not be shy. Apply 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder to each side of an 8-ounce chicken breast. If you like, a small pinch of paprika also adds a lovely color and a subtle, warm flavor. This foundational seasoning enhances the natural taste of the chicken without overpowering it, ensuring a delicious outcome. To pan-sear your chicken, heat a large skillet, preferably cast iron or stainless steel, over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or another high-smoke point oil to the hot pan, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Place the seasoned chicken breasts in the hot oil without overcrowding the pan. This technique creates a beautiful, golden brown crust and locks in moisture, making your chicken incredibly flavorful and appealing. Ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked by checking its internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should register 165 degrees Fahrenheit at its thickest point. Once cooked, transfer the chicken to a cutting board and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is essential because it redistributes the juices throughout the meat, resulting in incredibly tender and moist chicken every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.